Last time, she will look like this in the driveway. Wanted to record the rolling into mainline here and track the gas mileage all the way down here. So 17 and a half driving through from Watertown to the highway and going north. So I got 65 miles in, average gas mileage of 17.5. Got here a good time, saved a couple minutes, so that's good. Let's see what this looks like when we go back into the city. May hit some traffic, unfortunately, which will affect it, but here we are. Main line. It's on. Here we go. Alright, first update on the truck. We're on the road. We've gone about 15 miles. And the initial thing, the truck still has good pickup. We got moving, but now I can feel it. I can feel like the wind resistance got a little jiggle to it. So we'll see how it goes. Looking forward to seeing what this gas mileage is. It's not looking too hot right now. But that was expected. So, but I was not expecting so much resistance. I guess as of recently, I've seen a lot of people talking about the putting the air dampers or whatever they are on top of the truck, and that will hopefully help it. Which we might be able to store our max tracks up there on top of the cab of the truck, which would help and deflect some of that air. So we'll see, but. First update right off the bat, I can immediately feel once you get above 60 miles an hour, the wind trying to fight against that camper. So that'll be something to worry on. Think, boys? Think it'll do? Huh? Do you think it will do? What do you think? All sorts of stuff in here. Got to video the gas mileage when we got back. It was about 14.1
I can't even touch.
miles to the gallon. She can't even touch. Sarah's like 6'2", so.
At least.
It's a big window here. Wow. I could see it being an issue if you ever kept this thing up while you were driving. Stinky wants to get in. We'll get you the ladder out one of those days. And we'll get you up in there. Nope, she's taking a nap. All right, I'll see you later.
Look, I fit.
Made it. Hip camp. Setting up proper camp here. Box. Burn that shit. That's where I started roaming around. I had a little makeshift set up here for the truck. Just popped up. Not a bad view out there. Little place to yourself. Town of Belmont, New Hampshire. Here's Bob. Cheers. First up, everybody. Check out the view. We finally got the truck parked and mostly level. We're kind of testing it out to see how this ends up with, it goes 4 degrees of angling forward, so someone may be rolling on someone else, aka me, onto Sarah. But I wanted to check in on our first trip. We went 93 miles up into New Hampshire, and the gas mileage was not good. 11.2 miles per gallon with an average speed of 48 miles an hour. So we were on the highway. There's a little traffic in some spots coming into New Hampshire, but other than that, it is kind of as expected. Truck's all loaded up because we are actually camping, testing this out. So There's actually gear in the back. We had probably overpacked, but that's all right. We wanted to just get out right away, and we'll learn, just like we've learned to travel abroad and whatnot. Made adjustments with our packing skills. So, yeah, 11.2. Not that good, but hey, whatever. When you have fun, sometimes you have to pay for it. Great view out there, though. Can't wait. Hopefully the sun sets right over there. But anywho, we opted not to go with the four-wheel camper bedding, which we went with Hest. Had some good reviews. It's got a little extra playroom once you pop the whole thing out. Just step back a little bit. So we got it all drawn out. That's it pushed all the way towards the cab of the truck. I'm guessing we'll probably push it towards that direction, as it centers us both over the front fan. That way we have these two, so we can cycle the air through. And then if we have full bellies, we don't feel like we're gonna fall through this part here, even though I'm sure it's very sturdy. Cool. It feels nice and soft though. Oh, this is gonna be comfy. 1v1. Going to Coleman today. The Eureka fire pit's a little out of control. I was hoping that we could burn down some of that, but it's not going well, so there we go. Buzzer's on. Cooking beer. Sunset battle. That's it? Okay. First night of sleep in the camper's done. Went well. Sarah and the dogs are wandering around. I'm sure she's just looking for sunshine. This coffee is Bean and Mater. Good stuff. This jet boiled thing. Boils water so fast. And it has this cool little gauge to tell you how boiled it is. It doesn't take long. Fired it up like 2 seconds before this clip started rolling. And we are just over a minute in. Just like that, you got yourself boiled water. And here comes the pups. It's like they knew second. Talk about the good and the bad of the camper first night. What we should do, having coffee, and these two have nothing to contribute but creating chaos
And dust.
and dust. For those that don't own dogs, they're having fun, I promise. Mosquitoes everywhere also. We got the citronella going. Alright, back to our conversation. Today's hike is the Oak Hill City Forest. We're going to try to see how far we can get with the dogs. Just a little something today. There's a fire tower out there. There's a couple of cool spots to hit. They call them vistas. Well, we'll report back when we get up to where we're going to end up going. Little fire tower back there, but the
Name of this place?
dogs are. I don't know the name of it. I'll have to look on the all trails. The dogs are not on their best behavior today, so I didn't want to ruin the family's picnic. So we just turned around. Finn's panting like a crazy person because we didn't bring him any water. Oh well, he'll survive. But yeah, lots of trails back here, and pretty cool little fire tower. Bet you there's great views. As you can see this way, there's some views hidden through the forest there.
Let's go.
Getting yelled at for getting into some swamp. All right.